Being in the luckiest 10% of the world with health, house, food, power, water, some funds, and being in Australia, I was recently talking to people and friends from around the world. A recurring theme we talked about was that at a time like this, the sharing of skills and expertise was of help. How can I help? What can I do? My approach is to try and help organizations of all types and sizes by sharing skills and expertise that I hope are of value because this is how we can help each other. This sharing of skills and expertise may be obvious to some and is probably not lightweight material, but please feel free to share and use. Have fun doing good, and please stay happy and healthy. Audience, task, recipe. Across the world, millions of people make thousands of varieties of bread every day for a range of uses in a consistent way because we use recipes. Recipes provide us with the how-to. Recipes show us what we want to achieve. Recipes combine the steps with the ingredients, information needed, as well as the tools and best practice tips. Recipes can be customized to meet our needs. Recipes are easily shared. Recipes provide a convenient way to effectively and quickly transfer expertise. We use recipes because they give us security and certainty. Recipes enable us to get where we need to be faster and at lower cost. Recipes provide the help and guidance we seek. Whether it is COVID-19 and the criteria for social distancing and the ongoing operation of businesses through to the business transformation needed to respond to COVID-19, we look for the how-to. Opening up a restaurant and keeping it going to provide safety and security to customers and staff is about following a set of recipes. Through the use of recipes, we share information and assure outcomes. Whether it is the COVID-19 response or business transformation, recipes provide the approach for achieving the emergent behavior required. What recipes we create and how we use them is our choice. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this session and found it of value. This session can be used beyond COVID-19 decision making. Please help others by sharing the link. Looking forward to your comments and the sharing of other skills and expertise. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please help others to help themselves.